Hey guys, thanks for joining Dee and Coco's Epic Adventures. Today we're headed off to Chinatown in Kuala Lumpur. Come along.
We are at one of their metro lines in Kuala Lumpur, and they go deep because the buildings are so tall, the foundation, so they built the trains much deeper, and also it's to protect the people. There's a war, there's shelter.
Getting to Chinatown is pretty easy once we figure out the train system, but once we got there, it took us like 5 to 10 minutes to walk. Chinatown here is very colorful, it's lively, it is unique. There's a lot of art to experience here, a lot of great shopping, and just it's kind of a sensory overload, but in a good way. There's a lot of colorful alleyways that you wouldn't expect. A lot of street vendors here as well, so a lot of good food and good drinks. And you can see the incredible art and colors here. I got a great shot of Merdeka 118 here. I really love this alleyway. I had to resist the urge as a photographer to stop and take pictures everywhere I went because of the interesting buildings, the colors, the things to see, but it was also very hot, so we wanted to hurry and get where we were going. I loved all the vibrant colors and just the feel of Chinatown, and I'm not a big fan of Chinatowns really anywhere. I usually find them pretty dirty and dangerous, Bangkok being one of my least favorite so far, but Vegas is probably one of my favorites. This has got to be up there with one of my favorites as well. I think the walk honestly took us about 10 minutes, and that's with us stopping because I can't resist the urge to take pictures of interesting things, so it actually wasn't very bad. This is the main entrance to the Chinatown shopping. And once we arrived, all of the shops are pretty much under like a shade, kind of, but even though it's shaded, it's still very hot, I'm not going to lie to you. I really like this area for shopping. Of course, wherever we went, there was always people trying to peddle us fake watches and name brand clothes and shoes. This had more of a unique vibe to it. Unique clothing and keepsakes, souvenirs. I really, really enjoyed it. I probably would have gone overboard if I didn't have a weight limit on the next plane we were taking. So I had to limit myself because we still had shopping to do in Thailand. And you can haggle here. I'm not a great haggler. Dee is a great haggler. That's his department. So he helped get me some really good deals. I definitely also love that this was not a high pressure situation, whereas in Vietnam it was more compact, close together, and a lot of people trying to grab you into their little shops, wanting you to buy something. This was, I mean, we still were approached by people like, hey, come look at this, but definitely more of a laid back kind of feel to it. Not only did you have these little outdoor vendors, but also indoor vendors, which were really great as well, but also a great way to just grab some quick air conditioning. Well, that ends our day shopping in Chinatown. It's time to get back to the hotel. If you've been to Chinatown here in Kuala Lumpur, let us know what your experience was. And we're off back to our hotel. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, happy travels!